Nope, I got cocky. Today we're going to take a look at the Arex Zero 2 handgun from our friends at Global Ordnance. Now, this one is a little bit new to my radar. It may be new to you too. So let's go. What's up, crew? It's Chris from CloverTac. Welcome back to the channel. Before we talk about this Arex handgun, let's say we go down range and put a few shots on steel. I've got some of the Igman 124 grain 9mm ammo here, also from our good friends at Global Ordnance. And since we are going down to do live fire, safety's always first. Got my eyes on. Let me put my ears in and we'll make this happen. At 5 rounds of the Igman 124 grain FMJ, we're, I don't know, 12 or 15 yards back, 6-inch steel downrange. Gonna run this thing double action first, see what we can do. Double action is not bad. I guess that's what you would expect, especially from a brand new handgun. Let's move on, do some shots from single action. Here we go, same thing, but this time, gonna go after them in single action. Single action feels pretty darn good. So yeah, let's get back at the table and talk about this thing. Let's take a second and talk about this little handgun. And one of the things I like right off the bat is the way the latches work on the box. This to me is a sign of a really nice box. When we get into it, you've got, of course, your manual, your lock, your cleaning kit, no biggie there. Then we've got the handgun itself and the magazines. So let's get that dude out and take a look. So here we go with the Arex Zero 2. Everything is clear. This is a 9mm handgun. It is double action, single action, as we sort of demonstrated with those shots on steel. It is a hammer fired. It does have an ambidextrous safety. Coincidentally, the magazine release also ambidextrous as well. Pretty standard issue front dot sight with a blacked out rear sight. Little bit of texture on the front strap and that accessory rail. Now, I'm not going to lie, one of the reasons that I was initially drawn to this handgun is I think it looks good. And after picking it up, the stippling, the texture on the grip is phenomenal. The feel of the deeper cut in the back strap of the grip is phenomenal. Just a very well balanced, handgun that really feels good in the hand. Well, that stuff out of the way, let's load up some more ammo here and let's shoot this thing for groups, both double action, single action, and see how she does. Here we've got the multi-cal steady rest for our friends at Ransom International. Gonna shoot for some groups now. Got my eyes and ears back on. And about the same distance as we were shooting steel earlier, about 15 yards downrange. Got a couple of targets down there. We're going to go after that target on the left in double action only. That means I'm going to have to drop the hammer after every shot that we take. But let's see what we can do. Wow. Oh, got to drop the hammer. That trigger pull, this being a new to me handgun, double action trigger pull is just hadn't quite figured it out. I know it probably doesn't look like it by those shots there, but I'm really having to concentrate. For 3 rounds though, not bad. See if we can slow down, focus on fundamentals, keep it rolling. So far so good. 5th and final round. I'm happy with that. Got a nice little vertical string there, up and down. Not too bad considering, again, I'm not used to the double action trigger on this thing. Let's go single action now. See if we can do any better. That grouping double action going to be hard to beat, but let's go after the target on the right now. All single action only, and I'm going to have to be a little bit careful here. And the reason is the single action trigger on this, pretty nice, pretty sensitive. So if you're not careful, you will double tap. Do want to pay attention to that. There's 2 on top of each other too. Nice. There's 3. Oh my God. 4 shots, almost the same hole. Did I get it with the 5th? Nope. Nope, I got cocky. That 5th one was slow. 5th one there, I almost guarantee it was me. Man, single action, check that out, man. Wow. So there we go, a first look, a little bit of fun, a little bit of info on the Arex Zero 2 little 9mm handgun here. I think it did very well for its first showing. What do you think? Let me know down in those comments below. But feels good, ran fine, really got no complaints at this particular juncture. But if you want to check out some of the stuff that we're doing with other ammunition from our friends at Global Ordnance, well, got you some videos locked and loaded right here. As for this one, we're done. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.